Welcome to Cooking with Keep On Moving in the galley kitchen where things are as close as they can get. We should probably not use that. But yeah, this is our homemade.
What are we going to cook today, Julia?
We are going to cook some homemade hummus. All you need is Goya chickpeas, the aquafaba from the Goya chickpeas, Kavala cashew butter, Bragg's apple cider vinegar to get that lemony, citrusy taste, extra virgin olive oil, and these two spices primarily: cumin, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. So we're using chickpeas. We're going to put 2 cans, 15-ounce chickpeas in there. I took out the chickpea liquid since we want to add that back in later when we see how much we need. We're going to put in about, I kind of guessed this apple cider vinegar. I do about 3 capfuls. It'll be all right. It's a little bit over 3 capfuls, but it'll be okay. About, like I said, I'm not a big measurer, so you're going to have to just guesstimate with me. All right, so I'm thinking that's about a couple tablespoons. I use cashew butter. Most hummus recipes use sesame seed butter, and you can do that and it's excellent, but we have allergies in the house, so we don't do that. I'm going to do one more. So we're looking at about 2 tablespoons, generous tablespoons of cashew butter. All right, so now we need cumin. I'll put in, that's probably about a teaspoon, I'm thinking. Kind of close. And then I just give it a few shakes of cayenne, because I like cayenne. And a few shakes of salt. Just your salt. It's probably going to be too much, so I'm not going to use that much. That's probably good. For luck. And let's see, what have I forgotten? Pepper. Pepper, where's pepper? Yeah, and I see olive oil there too.
Yes, oh yeah, you gotta have olive oil. Yeah. So a few shakes of black pepper, and then we'll do olive oil, and I just guesstimate, and I think that was probably, you know, 2 or 3 tablespoons. But I might go back. Okay, so right now you can see how much liquid's in there, and I like to wait, and I use my little Braun blender here. This thing is the best present I ever got from a very good friend, Jessica. Thank you, Jessica. I always say thank you, Jessica, every time, because it's awesome. And actually, it was your birthday present.
Yes.
And so, now this can get sometimes right at the beginning. It gets really good. It can come up at you and spray a little bit. So this takes a few minutes to get it nice and smooth. What does it need?
Delicious.
Any salt, anything? This is when you come back in.
I always think slightly more salt and slightly more spice personally, but this has that hummus flavor already. It has like this tastes like original Sabra hummus or something, but better, honestly. I like it better.
No more salt, no more pepper?
A little pepper would help, and I was thinking more cayenne, but I mean all those things would help.
All right, so if you check, if you check, do what you like. We can put a little, it's going to be spicy. A little bit more salt.
Do we need a little bit of the liquid?
I don't think we do.
Because it's pretty smooth.
It's pretty smooth. You don't want it to get too watery. It will thicken up no matter what. But even if it's a little bit on the, but I like a little bit thicker consistency. So you'll kind of decide. Stir this in. And these things are so fun. You'll have so much fun just playing with these. So I think that's it. And here's our final product on the hummus. And it's delicious. You can put it with tortillas and make it in salad and do wraps, or you could just do it with chips.